Hey guys, it's currently 2:40 p.m. and we are heading to a cooking class which starts around 3:30 p.m. I'm super excited. I've never done a cooking class in any country, and I would like to do that each time I travel. Can't wait to show you guys what the experience will be like. So I will see you guys in my cooking class. Bye.
With a small chicken, not too small, like 1.5 kilos, it will be perfect. So he will wait it for us, he will cut it in pieces for us, and then remove the skin depending how you like it. Alright, we did like the weight, 1 kilo and 600 grams. Perfect. Yes. Okay. One they will be for like 2-3 months. The are yellow, is still yellow. Those ones will be older one for a year or two.
Wow.
And the best one is the older one.
Nice.
So I'm asking for beef. If we don't find the good part, we will not take it until he give us something nice. Because in the morning I come and he just wanted to give me the best part, and
yeah.
buy it from him. What we need for the couscous is the vegetables who have no starch to keep the sauce. Exactly, no sweet potatoes. The vegetables to keep the no starch to keep the sauce light, not thick. You know. This one, there is no couscous, no tagine without onion. This is very necessary.
No, I like onion.
The hard one is the best one. We can take, since we have 3 dishes, we can go with 7
onions?
Yes.
Wow. How do you,
Like
do you
anyone?
chop them big?
Very small.
Very small. Okay.
Yeah, so
Like
that.
anyone?
Yeah, it's nice, but if they are small, we can go with like 8 or 9. What about?
Okay.
He starts now with the small one because just to make them ready for 5-6 p.m. the time we come back from work, and this is a nice like snack for us.
Okay. Thank you. Nice.
Everything.
Sounds good.
Perfect. Beautiful. Oh my
Very
goodness.
welcome to my house. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Thank you so much. Welcome. Before they say if you cannot work without the vaccine, there is a lot of people that they don't want to get the vaccine, so they lose the jobs.
Yeah.
So we have sugar. Instead of mint today we have verbena, but it can be mint or verbena or sage. Do you like verbena? That's nice. Okay, this is a good green tea. Okay. The base of the tea is green tea, and then you can put any herb to get the flavors, you know. So we can go with mint, sage, chamomile, verbena, saffron, oregano, thyme. Really, the herb that you like, you can add it to your tea. Okay. We keep using mint because it's easy to find the whole year. But if we get any other herb, it will be perfect in flavors. Why not make something different? I did buy verbena just because I know that you drink a lot of mint till now. You want something different? I have mint. I have no problem. We can go with mint if you want.
No, this.
But if you want
this
something
sounds
different,
good. Yeah.
All right. Okay. And for green tea, there is 2 types. There is the first type that you will, that you have in the small bag. You will put hot water inside and wait for it to be infusing. That is clean. We just need to put hot water and boil it. That's it. This one, if you already hear about the type, it's gunpowder green tea. Do you have the type also? You use it in general? It's a leaf and it's dry and it's closed. We have to put hot water to open
it.
And then put another glass of water to clean inside of the green, and then make the tea. It's not clean. We have to clean it before.
Wow.
1 to 2 of green tea, depending if you like strong tea or not. And we put 1 glass of boiling water, and we wait for a minute or 2, the time to start to be open. The first glass we can drink it because it's just infusing, so it's like a normal green tea. We can drink it, but it's really more to open the green to be like a leaves. And then we can clean. It's still closed. We can't clean from now. So we open the leaves, we clean around and inside, and then we start to make the tea. The first glass it will be just normal green tea, like the colors will be just like normal green tea.
In there?
Yeah, there's small holes of filtrate the green tea. So now, since it's open, we can clean inside the leaves. I can show you, like you see, it's not green anymore, it's a leaf.
Yeah.
And if we touch, if you see when we touch, it lets something coming out. It's gray, it's not clean. This is why we will have to clean it before.
Yeah.
So another glass of boiling water, clean, and then throw. We will not drink it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
This is why it's like it's not a
Wow.
choice. We'll have to throw it.
Wow. Yeah, that looks really, really great.
This doesn't give you that you know that you want to drink it. You
No.
want to try it. So we throw it. We don't keep it. But since that it was just infusing, we
there
keep
you
it.
go.
We return it back.
Oh.
So there we go.
That's
now
it.
you got
And
it.
then you
Okay.
continue with hot boiling water.
Magic. There you go.
Ooh, that's nice.
Here we have sesame seeds, but they are different in the paste. We have coconut here, and semolina cake. Turmeric or curcuma, it depends how you call it. Cumin, the mix of spices, the ras al hanout. Do you know the ras al hanout?
Hanout,
And ginger in powder is just because we don't. It's a bit hard to find the fresh one, but we can
Okay.
use both of them.
Okay.
I like more the smoked paprika. It tastes a bit smoky, so I keep using it. But you can use the normal one
Regular
also, the
paprika.
sweet one. If you find this, it will be perfect. You
Okay.
know. And you can help me. Okay. So we go with a flat teaspoon of ginger. Flats. 1 teaspoon, but flats. Go with more. That's nice.
I've never mentioned anything in my life.
It's the
That's
same
why I
for
don't
me.
bake.
It's hard. Oh, okay. You bake or
No.
you do? Okay, but you cook.
Yeah.
Okay. I think
Because I don't like measuring things, so that's
You
why I
just
don't
put
like
it to taste.
understand.
Yeah, exactly.
Half teaspoon of paprika, a little bit more. Nice. Perfect. And then, so olive oil at first to give the flavor and to keep the grains separated. Sorry. And then we cover with water for 5 minutes and we start cooking.
Okay.
Second process.
How long did you say? Like 5 minutes?
5 minutes, just to absorb the it's like half cooked. Like we make it with this way to make it. It's just with the hand. It's like cook it for half time already.
Yeah.
Okay, so now whenever we change the color, we can add. We didn't put too much spices because we will add a lot of water. It's fine. I will open and with my eyes. Whenever I see there is a small, we say bowl. Yeah.
Yeah, chunk.
We
Ball
open
sounds
it.
nicer.
Both of them. Okay.
Either way.
And then now since we have fruit, we can use this too. A half teaspoon of cinnamon. Because we already have enough cinnamon here, we don't have to use too much already. And 1 teaspoon of ras al hanout, or the mix of spices.
What's it called again?
Ras al hanout.
Ras al hanout.
Hanout. The royal spice or the head of the shop, the best one. This is what we call it ras al hanout. Like it means the best one, you know. Yeah, similar, yeah. So we will keep cooking. No, I like more this way because it can be also inside the oven or boiling or frying, really like you want. But this way is faster. At the same time, it gives a nice smoky flavor until in the end of the flavors. So why not get more flavors? I will keep cooking until the eggplant or aubergine is very, very soft from inside, like a puree. When we touch, our finger have to come through very fast.
Okay.
And pepper have to be black in color, so it will be sure that it's cooked from inside, and it's easy to remove all the skin after. So we keep turning or flipping the vegetables every 1-2 minutes until they are really cooked and soft. You know.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
So we go at first with a handful of parsley and cilantro, if we have both. A handful like this, and
Olive oil.
2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm sorry. 2? Yes, please. 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Do I jump this on?
Yeah, just go. A half teaspoon of ginger. Perfect.
Wow.
And pepper, they are down, they are black in color.
How do you make preserved lemon?
I'll show it to you now. So we take a small lemon, the yellow lemon, and we cut it in a half. We put 1 teaspoon of salt in each lemon, and we put it inside the jar. We keep adding the lemon. We push until we have no air inside, and the jar has to be full with lemon. Because after 1 week, they will be coming down.
Wow.
So we close for 1 week. The time that the salt melts and the juice of lemon come out of the lemon, And then we open to put some olive oil, like 4 or 5 tablespoons to preserve the lemon. So the air will not touch anymore your lemon.
Yeah.
You can use it after 2 months, but the best one is the older one. I have it here for 2 years now.
Wow.
And it's really, really strong.
You don't add to it though, right?
Okay.
You just keep doing
Just
it.
do that and try. Can you remove the seeds, I'm sorry, for me, please? We'll add another half.
I saw him 30 the great age for me. 30, 35.
For some reason the chicken looks extra good.
Yeah. Nice.
Yes. Yes.
Fancy.
That's fancy. Or maybe more.
I'm sorry. For eggplant,
Something like this?
small thing. That's perfect. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, like that. Nice.
Yeah.
Make it fluffy.
Like this. We have enough water that it's not necessary to add any water.
So leave it.
Another 10 minutes.
And what do you call this salad?
Za'louk.
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 That means puree or something mushy.
Za'louk. Oh, it looks so good.
It's soft.
Oh yeah,
Right?
that's way
See?
better.
It's better than before.
Yeah.
But we have a lot of sauce. Boiling a little bit without the cover until it's thicker, and we remove it from the fire. When it's fresh, it's too strong in taste, so the best way is to cut it thinner.
This is quite the technique.
I know.
Okay.
Wow.
But
I know.
With the glove on, I'm here for it.
But in general, we grew up without any cutting board in the house. We don't know
Really?
how to use it. Really, the first time I take it in my hand, I don't know how to cut the vegetables. Really.
Wow.
But it's something like we see the mother do it. We grow up with that, so it's for us. This is the normal way. I'm just putting the cutting board because it's easier for people. But in general, whatever.
Yes, you do it with your
It's
hand.
faster also.
Yeah.
You know what happened to me? Whenever I do finally, we are here.
Vegetables with lots of sauce.
Ooh, oh my goodness. Woo!
If you
Oh,
eat it.
really?
We try to buy like a whole bunch of steak in our back to take on our trip with us because we just put it on vegetables and
Thank you.
So I'm gonna write a letter to Trader Joe's telling them to bring it back.
So we lodged a complaint. So if you like it.
I thought that was chocolate in my